Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Guitar. Myself Varun. Today I am doing a tutorial for the title song from the movie Kalho Na Ho, which is actually playing as a background music in the same movie. So I am trying to play it in a single string so that beginners can learn it very easily. So I hope they can learn from my video. So happy learning. So this is actually the song. First of all, I will tell you the notes of the song. So I'm playing, actually I told you that I'm trying to play it in a single string. So I'm taking the first string, that is E. So this is the 12th fret, this is also E, as you are aware of this. So this is also E. So, so this is E, and just that this particular note, that is 11th fret, is D sharp. So, and this 9th fret is C sharp. So 9th fret is C sharp, 11th fret is D sharp, 12th fret is E. So starting at note E, that is 12th fret. So 12 and 11th string is fret is coming here, that is E and D sharp. So alternately we are playing both these notes, that is E and D sharp, that is 12th and 11th fret. So that many times you have to play these two notes, 11th and 12th fret. So this is another change, that is from 12th fret we are moving to 14th fret. That note is G sharp. So G sharp, F sharp, E. This note also is coming. That is 16th, this is 12th, this is 14th fret, this is 16th fret. So 11 and 12, as already I mentioned, these two are playing in the start. Har ghadi badal rahi hai. So in this particular position, we are moving on to the 16th position, that is G sharp, and again to F sharp, and back into E. Dhoop Zindagi means these two notes, that is C sharp and D sharp. This is D sharp, this is C sharp, that is 9th and 11th fret. This is 9th fret, this is 11th fret. Dhoop Zindagi will start at 11th fret, that is D sharp. So D sharp and C sharp alternately, and stop at D sharp, that is 11th fret. And again we are repeatedly playing the same part. Har pal yaha will start at this note. So this is B. So that position, you can see this is actually 7th fret. Okay. So 7th fret is B. So 7, 9, 7, 9, 12, 9. These are the fret coming in this note. 7, 9, 12, 9. So that is B, C sharp, E, C sharp, harpaliha. G for Geo will be in this position. Fifth position, that is fret number 5. G for Geo. 5, 9, 7. These 3 frets are coming in this part. G for Geos. 5, 7, 9 and 5. So 5, 7, 9, 7. So fifth position is actually, this is B. So this is A. So A, B, C sharp, B. A, B, C sharp, B. जो है समा, that is also the same part, that is B, C sharp, E, C sharp, that is, this is a 7th fret and 9th fret, sorry, this is the 9th, 7, 9, 12, 9. Kalpana. It will be starting at 5th position. This is A. You can see 5, 10th position. So 5th fret, 10th fret, 9th fret, 7th fret. 5, 10, 9, 7. So notes are A, this is B, C sharp, B. So this is this is 5th fret. Okay, 5th fret. This is A, D. So A, D, C sharp, B. Just a correction. So A, D, C sharp and B. So all together we can play like this. You can see that I am playing it in a single string with a single finger. So once you get this note, you can also play this song in a single string, even with a single finger or with multiple fingers as you wish. So I hope you can learn. So happy learning. Thank you for watching.